Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to update software. To update software of your camera, let's go to 70MAI app, go to menu, and now go to firmware update. Tap download, allow, OK. Push to dash cam now. Got it. Push. Push now.
Upgrading. Do not disconnect from power source.
And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.